If you have a complicating conversation with boss, with children, with your husband, and you want to make it as good as possible to make the best outcome, you can draw this algorithm. This is also express algorithm, so it will be on the small piece of paper and very, very fast. So take the piece of paper and find on this paper the figure of yourself. So I see here's me. And the other figure should be the person you want to talk to. So, for example, I know that the most complicating conversations are with the bosses. So let's put the boss here and compare the size of you and boss. In case boss is much bigger, you already feel the dominance. In a case it's smaller, though I doubt, it's more or less okay. And actually it's okay. Equal is also okay. But in case it's bigger, put your figure bigger so that you feel much more confidence. And put the neurographic line on this to make it live. And from center of this circle, put the line to the center of circle of your boss. You can also add neural line to make this circle round and put another line back to you. So with this, you're connecting your fields, maybe even your higher selves, connect for the better result, because everyone is interested with the best solution, with the best result, especially because you have some common topic, some common business to sort out. Maybe even on this step you already feel like some connection appeared between you and him. So on some invisible level, you already communicate with him. You already sort out what you need to sort out. And now you can start adding neural lines to the field. How to draw neural lines you can watch on my channel in the educational videos. You just start connect this your communication with the background. Actually, in the field there is always an answer, so you are not the first and you are not the last. Everything has already happened and there are always replies to everything. I immediately start rounding, and actually I already have a very good feeling, like everything is very easy. For this algorithm I took green color, but you can take anyone, but better don't take the red one because too many emotions there and maybe even aggression. Really would nice to take also blue one, which will be like calming. Green one is more about growth, in case you need some really good result connected to the changes, to the growth, especially in case it's talk to the boss. But generally any color is okay, it's up to you. Blue might be like more calming in case there is some stressful situation and maybe both of the parties would like to calm down a little bit. But here we can also add blue color when we will add colors for archetyping. If you have time, of course, you add it. If no, you can add it later, and it is also okay. In this algorithm, of course, it's very desirable to smooth everything off, so to round everything really, really properly, because here is about the harmony, to make peace, to achieve result. And I can go through the lines of connection once again. I want to add the color right now. So I have green one, which I like very much. And don't forget that we connect with the color. So color should be inputted to the neighbor cells, and 2 and more cells should be with the same color. Here I want to connect with the color both of the figures, so it will help to sort out the situation much quicker. Like this. You just need to feel yourself in terms of the color. You stop when your hand tells you to stop. My hand doesn't want to stop. Yeah, here I also add some blue. Well, according to the rules, you should also use highlighters or markers for coloring, but for coloring I really prefer to use pencils. But as far as I need to tell you the rules, I'm telling you the rules that it should be markers or highlighters. And as you remember, white is also the color. We can leave some cells white, and I already see that I have left one cell with one color, so I just divided it, just divide everything. It's okay, you can always fix whatever you wish. Set, and now I put the fill line, and with my fill line I want to connect these two figures for them to come in peace if we need it, to get to I don't know, to get some harmony in communication, to achieve mutual good result, win-win for every party. Be satisfied with what we have, what we agree right now, so not having any need or situations where we need to change it. So be completely okay with the solution, with the decision we have. For me, one filled line is more than enough. I feel it's okay. And now I'm looking for the figure that will be the solution in my situations. In my situations, so for me, it would be definitely the circle, because I want to have really good, peaceful, and mutually beneficial result. So that's why I would like to connect these two figures with the circle of harmony, which connects both of them. Let's say this is win-win for both of the parties. I'm making rounding, so it should be smooth. As always, our fill lines and figure of fixation stands out so that you can immediately see it. The figure of fixation is our solution. It's the solution for your unconscious mind. You might even don't know what is it. And actually, usually you don't know what is it, but your unconscious know, and it will work accordingly. It's done. Unfortunately, I don't have. Oh, I have green one. Green, dark green, which is almost dead, but it's okay. I just want to emphasize this solution as much as possible and as green as possible. It's a really very nice and peaceful color. And actually, this green is very calm, like dark green, very calm color. And it definitely will give the best result. Did you observe your feelings? What was it? What were the feelings, emotions, maybe sensations in the body? Maybe some insights, some ideas. It's really very nice to write them down because, well, mostly I have insights after the drawing, but sometimes during the drawing also. I just want to feel it, to already feel and have this solution right now. So I don't know, I can't stop coloring. But generally, you can stop. It's me. I don't know what is going on what's going on right now with me, but I just want to do this, so I just listen to my body. So I would be very grateful if you subscribe for the channel. Would be grateful for your ideas, for your recommendations, what is interesting for you, what topics are the most essential for you right now, is what you would like to work. For your comments, likes, of course, because you know how the algorithms of YouTube works. So the more comments you put, the more people will know about this technique, will use it, and will be able to sort out their issues much quicker and easier. Also subscribe for my Facebook channel, because actually I prefer not only making videos, but also I like, as the representative of the old generation, I prefer to read, and I like to share information about the neuroscience, about how our brain works, how to make it much more efficient. Because I'm doing actually all of my life with different techniques, and I should say that actually all of the techniques works, some better, some worse. And of course, you should choose for yourself what technique is better. I just adore Neurographica. It's not the only method I'm using, but Neurographica is just amazing, especially by means of Neurographica. I can share lots of knowledge with you, different coaching stuff, which is actually possible to share only in private sessions, but thanks to Neurographica, I can share it with much more people. I'm going to make the videos of more complicated algorithms. I like my result. I don't know, I just already feel that I succeed. It's very cool, especially green color, and you know, it's very interesting. In case you draw Neurographica for a very long time, you can observe what color of your pens, like what colors you are using the most. Like, unfortunately, right now I don't have it in my hand, but like you see, you can compare. The blue color is used by myself probably the most often, but telling the truth, the most often is green one. The green one is already looks like a baby. So I'm glad that you've been with me, and see you soon with the new algorithms, with the new ideas I will share with you. And also, I would be grateful for your comments. How did this work for you? What result did you obtain drawing the algorithm? So it's really very interesting for me, because I have a very scientific approach to all of this, and curious how does it work for everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Much more to come, so stay tuned.